How to log in Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to log into Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch your Instagram application here. And once you launch your Instagram app, you're gonna see this type of interface. Now, if your account details are already saved to your Instagram app, you can log in right away. But if it is not saved, then you can tap on the login to another account option. Select the Instagram account that you would like to log in with, which could be your email address and your password, or your username or mobile number and password, and tap the login option. If your account details are correct, you'll be successfully logged in. If it's not correct and then you happen to forget your password, in that case you can just tap on forgotten password option to reset the password for your Instagram account. Otherwise, if you remember it, you can just log in respectively without any hassle. And this way you can log into Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.